Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar fell 0.8% against the yen in the last trading session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair exploded 3.3% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the gold rise 0.3% against the dollar. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The oil dipped a slight 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The RSI's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Oil giant Saudi Aramco said it earned $161 billion profit last year, attributing its earnings to higher crude oil prices. The firm, known formally as the Saudi Arabian Oil Company, said in its annual report that the profit represented its highest annual profits as a listed company. Markets were set for a bumpy ride this week as the fallout from collapsed startup-focused lender Silicon Valley Bank, the biggest US bank failure since the 2008 financial crisis, coincides with key economic data and policy meetings. India's foreign exchange reserves rose by $1.46 billion to $562.4 billion as of March the 3rd, arresting the 4 successive weeks of fall, the Reserve Bank of India said.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting at 0700 hours GMT. Singapore's unemployment rate will be released at 02:30 GMT. Korea's export price growth at 2100 hours GMT. Korea's import price growth at 2100 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.